everyone out there that's hit that brick wall in their life. You know that brick wall that's called pain, hurt, struggle. Whatever it is you're going through, man, there's a way around it. Look, I started from the bottom like the rest did. Early teens when I first got arrested. Me against the world, that's my selection. It's a hard knock life, that's my confessions. Yeah, so you know I keep my head straight. On this path that I walk, I just need faith. I don't debate, I don't need hate. All I do is spit music that relates to the next man, to the next girl. This a great life, not a so great world. I'm like a great white shark in this great world. You can't take or stop what I'ma get, world. For the ones doing it hard, you need God. For the ones doing it cool, then stay true. There's always someone in the world that's worse off. So like concrete or hard enough, I will not break. No matter how long it takes. You gotta have faith. Go hard cause life is great. You gotta have faith. The generation nowadays is so bad. Some get shot, some get stabbed. All for that purse in the handbag. Turn a good day to a nightmare. They keep a weapon on them cause they don't fight fair. If you're looking for me, I'll be right here. I hit rock bottom, I bounce back up. We all got problems, plus bad luck. But I'll make mine, I'll take mine. Till my heart stop pumping like the bass line. No pocket watch on my hip, I don't waste time. Like a ruler on my head, I keep a straight mind. My 2 feet down in a straight line. The road to the top ain't a straight drive. There's always someone in the world worse off. So like concrete or hard enough, I will not break. No matter how long it takes. You gotta have faith. Go hard cause life is great. You gotta have faith.
This kind of act of faith has always been a part. It requires service and sacrifice, and each of us doing our part to leave our children a world that is kinder and more just. And just as this celebration cannot be an idle celebration, our faith cannot be an idle faith. It requires more of us than Sundays at church. It requires more than just our daily prayer. It must be an active faith, rooted in that most fundamental of all truths, that I am my brother's keeper, that I am my sister's keeper.
I will not break.
The scripture tells us God creates us
no
for
matter
works
how
of
long
service.
it takes. You gotta have faith.
Our faith cannot be an idle
Go
faith.
hard cause life is great. You gotta have faith.